Our confirming officer, Andrew X. Sir, let's make this one. Sir Gini and Milano, barangay official. Headed by Sir Gini and Milano, barangay official. Headed by Captain Lordy P. Arguelles. Their teacher, beloved parents, past visitors, and my fellow graduates. Ang araw na ito ay isang napakahalagang punto sa aming buhay at puno ko kami ng pasasalamat. Una sa lahat, nagpapasalamat kami sa buong may kapal sa kanyang walang sawang paggabay, lakas at biyaya. To our beloved parents and families, thank you for your sacrifices, love, and unwavering support. Maraming salamat po sa inyong sakripisyo, pagmamahal at walang sawang suporta. Kayo po ang aming inspirasyon sa pag-abot ng aming mga pangarap. To our dear teachers, thank you for your patience, dedication, passion, and for believing in us. You have not only taught us lessons in school, but also lessons in life. Hindi lamang po kaalaman at inyong itinuro, hindi man mga aral sa buhay. Sa aming mga kaklase at kaibigan, maraming salamat sa masasayang alaala at pagkakaingin ng aming babaunin habang buhay. As a Filipino graduate, we carry with us the values and knowledge we have learned.